I'm Dr. Tar, and this is Brian. Brian came into our clinic about 5-6 months ago, and he was in a pretty bad car accident. Was having some really bad headaches. And Brian, I'll let you tell them a little bit more about your story.
I was parked at a red light. I was on my way home from work actually, and I was hit by a guy who did not even attempt to stop. He was going about 45 miles an hour, 35, 45 miles an hour, and hit us at a dead stop. And I was kind of twisted. My daughter was in the back seat, so from me being twisted, kind of headaches, lower back pain, mid back pain, and just from coming in and getting treatment, it definitely has made a difference. The headaches have gone away. I feel so much better, and yeah, just. And then Dr.
Brian's case on here, what had happened with his neck with the whiplash and with him being turned, he had pinched down right here at the C1 and C2 areas. Pinching on that nerve, and that nerve is one of the biggest controls that can causing headaches, dizziness, ringing in the ears. And through some adjustments and with some of the other therapies that we've used here, Brian's done, as he said himself, right in here. Everything's moving a lot better than what it used to. We still need to keep working on our posture. All right. I've got it right back up in here. I'm going to have you lay down on your back here for me. Just a little bit for me. Good. Arms closed. Side here for me. Have you roll back over, face down for me. All right, got everything moving back there, bro.
After the adjustment, I always feel so much better. I feel like I walk taller, you know, I don't know what exactly it is, but I feel so much better. I feel like I'm where I should be, you know.